In this video, I will be making a melodic techno lead sound, similar like the sign by Camel, Phat, and Anyma. To begin with, we are going to select a basic saw wave and turn it an octave lower. Next, shape the envelope 1 with some attack and reduce the sustain completely and add some release. Next, add white noise and route envelope 1 to the cutoff. Also, add a high-pass filter and reduce resonance and select noise. Also, make sure to click on mono and turn up the portamento. For the FX, we are going to select hyperdimension and turn down the mix. For dimension, we are going to reduce the size and increase the mix a bit. Next, we are going to add distortion and select 0 square and reduce the mix a bit. Next, add a compressor and increase the ratio, attack, and gain a bit. And also turn on multiband. Next, add a EQ boosting the highs. Next, add a MG low 12 filter and route envelope 1 to the cutoff. As we will automate the filter cutoff later on. Next, add a hall reverb with these settings. Next, add a ping-pong delay with these settings.